Crafty Diamond. This video I'm going to show you my progress on Diana. She is huge. She's the biggest one that I have done, and I have been working on her for a long time. I work on her off and on. There's a story behind her that I bought this back at the end of 2020, and I didn't even unbox her or anything until the middle of, I unboxed her early 2021. We were at a different house and it just was not ideal for diamond painting. And then we got busy and we sold that house and moved here. So I've gotten a lot done this year, and I'm planning on getting her finished by the end of this year. I want her done. She is gorgeous. She's fun to work on. From Diamond Painting Deutschland, I have 3 others in my stash of theirs that I cannot wait to start on, and I'm waiting on the new Josephine walls to come out. And once those come out, then I know I will buy more. I just love the company. It's a lot of fun, and I have learned so much doing this one, and I'm able to use what I've learned and put it to other diamond paintings as well. And I know how I'm going to do this on my next one, how I'm going to set it up, how everything is going to be done. It's going to be totally different than this. I have some great ideas I have incorporated in here that I will use, but for the most part, I'm going to be doing some changes. And on this one, I have added some ABs. This did not come with ABs, but I've added some ABs in the moon just for it to brighten up some. I've also added some ABs to her face, and then also on the side. Since I had my last video on Diana, I will also put that playlist up in the eye, and that way you will be able to see that if you have not seen the other ones I've already posted. I have gotten all of the left side done from my last video. So if you can see, all of this down here, from here to here, has been completed. I have just a couple on this area that I was working on today, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video done. So I will get the rest of those today. Then I have these 2, and that way all of that will be attached. This one is so large that I have to turn it upside down, and sorry for my feet, I had to turn it upside down, I had to turn it sideways, every which way, in order to get some of the drills on there. So that's why that it's not done, it's done like in different areas. So now I'm just going through, I'm cleaning up. Also, what I started doing, because it was so confetti heavy, I would do one color on one row, and then I would take the whole row and do a color, not just a square. And then I have several that I've got to go back in and put drills on, and I won't do that again. I'm not doing that anymore. It seems to be going faster. So hopefully the next time that you see this, I will have another row that's completed. Because if you look at these little squares, I really don't have that much left. But some of this can actually take 2 to 3 hours. Like if you see this one little square here, I've already looked at it, and it is going to take a long time. It is all confetti. There's not one drill on there that's the same color. But I do have my drills, and there are 250 of them. I have my drills that are sorted the way that my mind works. And I think my mind is just a little strange, but it works for me. And that's what's important. If you ever decide to do a large canvas like this and it has a lot of colors and it's extremely confetti heavy, I suggest that you set your drills up the way that you think. So for instance, on this one, they have some really funny symbols, and they have one that to me, it looks like a little alien head, and I have that under people, which aliens really aren't people. I mean, they are, but I have it under people. I also have transportation. There's a car. There is a little taxi that they have, and I have that under transportation. And then I have technology, and I have several things under technology. I have trees. There is nature. So I also have squares, and if there's a square, whatever's inside that square, I actually am using that because my eyes see that first. So I look at whatever I look at first, whatever pops out to me first, and that's how I actually have my drills stored. And I'll do that again next time. And the good thing about Diamond Painting Deutschland is, and this is what I've been told, I have not seen this, but I've been told by several people that they use the same symbols have the same DMC number for all of the paintings. So if I wanted to use the same containers that I'm using now, I can easily just use what I have and just put those drills into my containers, but I'm changing containers when I do another one. I was using Harbor Freight on this one, and I really do not like this system. Harbor Freight's fine, but it's not really good for 250, because I think there's only like 24 that's in one box. And so I know how I'm going to do it next time. I am just not going to kit up another one until this one is finished. And that is my incentive. And also my challenge, and I love to be challenged. If I am challenged, I am going to meet that challenge. I am not going to not meet it. So my challenge that I'm giving myself, and I'm putting this out there, is that I'm going to get this finished by the end of the year. So it's out there, there's that. Please encourage me. I need all the encouragement I can get. And it's not that I don't like this one, I do, but then I have others that I'm working on. So I kind of put this one over to the side, and it's so much fun, but I want to work on her, and I'm going to. That is just what I'm going to do. So again, it's out there. I hope that you really like this one. It's hard to see on camera, but it has so much shimmer and sunshine. She's so, so pretty. I had to put her on the floor because my table is not wide enough for you to see all of it, and I wanted you to see all of it at one time, see it all of it together, to see how it's coming out, because she is absolutely gorgeous. I hope that you enjoyed this short little video on Diana, and again, next time I will have even more to show you. Have a great day, everybody, and keep on crafting. Love you guys. See you next time.